Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching all my videos. I really appreciate it. Today, quickly, I'm going to be showing you how to make the Nigerian moi-moi, and I'm going to be showing you how to make this in a pie. Now, we're going to be tossing our garlic, a little bit of ginger, onions, red and green bell peppers in a blender, and we're gonna be blending it with some little water. Okay, I'm making this recipe to celebrate mothers. It's gonna be Mother's Day in a few hours, guys, and gosh, mothers are so relentless, selfless, hardworking, and amazing people. Such amazing people. And so what better way than to celebrate, mothers by creating this or sharing with you this recipe, because guess what, mothers, there's no need for you to stress making this recipe. Everything goes in the blender, and from the blender, the very next step is to toss it in the pan. So there's no need for you to stress yourself too much trying to make moi moi, like we're raised to make moi moi back in the days. This is really easy and very fast as well. And guess what? It surely gives you a very fluffy moi moi at the end. So guys, sit back, relax, and let me share with you how I make this. So if you have white onions or any other breed of onions, that will be fine. But please make sure you add the red onions. I don't know what it is, but it has this distinct taste and aroma that it gives to food. Okay, so we're gonna blend this till it's smooth, but don't stress it if it's not extremely smooth, because you still want a little bit of the traces of the vegetables to show in the moi moi. Yes, I don't like my moi moi too busy on the inside, but I do like variety of toppings on the top. So yes, that's why I'm blending it until it's almost smooth. So this is the consistency and this is what it looks like. Next, I'm going to be adding 2 cups of bean flour. Bean flour, guys. So I'm using bean flour because it's super easy and fast. If you can make this at home, that's fine. Um so I added a little bit of water so as to incorporate everything, with ease. And of course, give it a lighter texture, because we're going to be baking this in the oven, and you know that the oven has the tendency of drying out food. So if you want it to be moderate in texture, you better add water to whatever it is you're baking actually. So next, we're gonna be adding our stock cubes, and at this point, if you have preference for seasoning cubes or seasoning powders, you can add them. But I did just use the seasoning cubes, and I used salt. Okay, so I used one large seasoning cube. It's the Knorr one, but it's large. So that would be equivalent. We're gonna sprinkle some spring onions. If you don't have spring, you can chop your regular onions in tiny bits and sprinkle on it. And guess what? It's actually going to give it, a different color, because the spring onions is white and green. Okay. Next, you're going to put in I used the Titus fish. You're going to sprinkle in some fish up there. Whatever fish you like is good, but this has, a unique taste and flavor. So we're gonna sprinkle in some fish there and some eggs, and just do that, rinse and repeat. So after baking, guys, this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, such brown yummy crust on it. I didn't want it to dry out, so I would have left it more to bake in the oven, but this texture is fine for me. Okay, if you stick with the time, this is what you're gonna get. See how the egg, is a bit brownish, caramelized on the top, but it's not burnt. Yes. See how the fish, oh my goodness. So this is amazing. 10 stars, guys. You really need to try this out, and this is amazing. So yummy, guys. So guys, enjoy this for your Mother's Day. Make it for your family. The kids love it. Everyone will love it, guys, and I bet you this whole pie will be gone in no minutes. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. God bless you. I'm gonna be enjoying this with some oats, so let me know in the comment section below what you enjoy your moi-moi with. Do you do oats? Do you do custard? Do you do pap? Or do you eat it with rice, or just like that? So let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys. You guys are amazing. And yes, it came out fluffy and nice. Look at that. So amazing. So yummy, 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 yummy. Thank you guys so much.